Ciao and welcome back to the series about Italian verbs where you can learn the conjugation, pronunciation and practical examples of the most important Italian verbs. I'm Beata from the Proficiency Consultant's Italian language series. Join me to learn and let's get started. Today we will learn the verb dormire, which means to sleep. Let's start with its conjugation in the present tense. Repeat after me to practice the pronunciation. Io dormo. Tu dormi. Lui dorme. Lei dorme. Noi dormiamo. Voi dormite. Loro dormono. Dormire is a regular verb from the ire group. Once you learn its pattern, it becomes easy to use similar verbs too. Now, let's see how to use dormire in everyday sentences. Repeat after me to practice. Io dormo 8 ore ogni notte. Tu dormi bene? Lei dorme ancora. Noi dormiamo in hotel. Voi dormite troppo poco. Loro dormono tutto il giorno. As you can see, dormire is perfect for talking about rest, habits, and daily routines. To practice, try using dormire in a sentence about yourself. For example, io dormo molto durante il weekend. Feel free to share your sentence in the comments below. And that's it for today's lesson. Now you know how to conjugate and use dormire in everyday conversations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and visit my blog for more Italian language tips. Stay tuned for the next video about the Italian verb series. Ciao, a presto!